Hello, my friends! Oh no, this magic mirror is so dirty. Please help me clean it and make it shine like new. Let's clean it together.
Great job, my friends! Let's remove all these spider webs first. Awesome! Let's cover everything with thick cleaning foam.
Let's scrub gently. The mirror is already looking much cleaner. Almost done. One more soap spray and we'll make it sparkle like new. Fantastic! Every little spot is clean now. We're almost finished. Wow! Look at that shine! The magic mirror looks beautiful again! Wow! Look at this amazing transformation! Our magic mirror has become a beautiful royal treasure! Hooray! We did it together! This magic mirror looks brand new. Thank you so much for helping me. Please like, share, and subscribe for more fun cleaning adventures. See you next time. Bye!